Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Mario So, and in today's video, I want to show you how you can create a 6-second high-impact social media product video. Let's go. If you made it back here again, welcome back. If you're new here, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for future videos similar to this one. In today's video, we're going to be shooting a spec ad on this drink called Vivo. It's from Nova Scotia here in Canada, and this is pressed fruit with sparkling mineral water, and it tastes really good. And what I want to do today is add a little bit of shadow and play around with the shadow using a very hard light. I'll be shooting everything on the Sony a7 III. I'll be shooting in portrait mode, and that will be adjusted later on for a 4:5 aspect ratio for social media platforms such as Instagram. So a lot of people are now shooting natively in that portrait mode instead of shooting wide and then cropping in. This way, you're not only able to frame your shot the way you want it to look, but you also take advantage of the entire sensor when you move your camera to shoot portrait mode instead of landscape mode. Always make sure where your final output is going to go, and that will dictate how you will be approaching your video. And this is going to be a 6-second ad. It's going to be high impact, really quick. There aren't that many shots to play with, so I'm thinking about maybe 3 to 4 shots. A few of those shots are going to be 1 second, and some of them may be about 2 seconds. And that's going to be enough for that 6-second, super quick spot ad. Earlier, I had these bottles over here. Let's move this away. It's already a little wet there because of all the water I've been spraying, but I had these here. I have this Yongnuo tube light over here just to give it light on the side. I have this Aron 100D with a rectangular softbox to illuminate this side over here. I have this plant over here, and I'm casting that shadow with a spotlight right here, the WeLight Ninja 300. And right there is pointing downwards at this angle towards the plant to give me that, and I really like that look. Aperture M9 just to illuminate here and the back to give it some backlight to the bottles. The first shot that I did was pretty much just a hero shot, and for that I just had the bottles that I was using. I added some fruits, the blueberries and the apples, some fake ice, and I just sprayed some water on top of everything to give it that sweaty look, which is a desirable look for products, especially drinks and fruits. The first shot was actually the hero shot, and you want to shoot hero shots at the beginning of your entire shoot when everything is still clean. And if you only have one product of each, then you want to get the last hero shot first before you go around and open your product or your drink and you start pouring it and making a mess. So for this last hero shot, what I did was also move the plant as the camera slowly pushes in, and that I'm just going to do in post, a very subtle scale keyframe. For this second shot, I want to focus on the name of the company, which is Vivo. What I'm doing is pretty much putting that bottle on a rotating display stand and just capturing that name on the bottle as it rotates on the stand. The next 2 shots, I'm going to be showcasing the 2 fruits of the 2 bottles that I am filming today. The first one is with blueberries and the second one with apples. For the apple shot, I'm shooting at 120 frames per second, and I'm going to just drop the apple to fall from the top to the table pretty much. For the second shot, I'm going to get another apple and I'm going to cut it into slices, and I'm just going to do the same drop, and hopefully I can match cut that so it shows the apple falling, and then as soon as it falls, it's going to be already cut up into slices. If that doesn't work out, I'll just use the second shot of just the apple already cut up into slices and just dropping into the frame. For the blueberries, all I wanted to do is just put it again on a display stand, rotation stand, as I have right here. And because the surface of that display stand is reflective, I'm going to get that nice reflection on the blueberries, and I'm going to add some fake ice as well and make it look a little bit more cold and a little bit more refreshing. And then the last shot that I'm going to do is just of me pouring this product onto a glass, which will already contain fake ice. So that's it for today's video. This was a quick one. I just wanted to do this short product video practicing using a hard light kind of effect to give me those long shadows. It was definitely a trendy look that I saw a lot during the summer, but I hope you learned a trick or two from today's video. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. That would immensely help the channel. And if you're still here, here are a couple of videos you could watch next. I'll see you next time.